one out front plays good D.
Yeah.
Must weigh 50 pounds.
Biggest waterfowl in Michigan.
Biggest
waterfowl in Michigan.
Yeah, easily, right?
They are.
Aren't they the largest waterfowl in the world?
I don't know about the world. Definitely Michigan.
It's probably an emperor penguin.
Yeah, pelicans.
Okay, yeah,
Pelicans get pretty big too.
Oh, that's so cool. I wonder what that means.
Look at this.
He's calling the other ones in.
Where did the fourth one come from?
There was 5 last night.
Was there?
Yeah.
Last summer there were 3.
Well, maybe it was the night before, but there was 5 of them over there on the ice. And I think there was 2 more further off in the water.
In the fall, there was 7.
Yeah. Well, we got a picture of, I think, 5 of them flying together.
Yeah.
It's in the program guide.